Let's see this question. So we want to figure out, is this expression is a 13 a factor of this expression? So is number 13 a factor? So that means we need to do something about this to see if we can factor out 13 from here. So the question is answered. We want to use difference of two squares. So 9 is 9 raised by 24. We could write 9 as a 3 square, then we go from there. Or we just keep 9. See, 9 to the 24th power is 9 to the 12th power, then square. Right? 24 is 12 divided by 2. So you will have 2 layers of exponents. We multiply them, minus 1. Now 1 is 1 square. So now we have difference of 2 squares form. So that can be factored as 9 raised by 12 plus 1, and 9 raised by 12 minus 1. So we see this one is difference of 2 squares again. So just keep writing this one, 9 raised by 12 plus 1. We use difference of 2 squares for this, right? 9 raised by 12 is 9 raised by 6 squared. So we factor this as 9 raised by 6 plus 1 times 9 raised by 6 minus 1. Again, 9 raised by 6 is 9 raised by 3 squared. So this is the difference of 2 squares again. We keep writing this. Now we want to write this as difference of 2 squares. So that's 9 raised by 3 plus 1, and 9 raised by 3 minus 1. We could calculate this by calculators, but we don't want to use a calculator. All right, we want to use a calculator inside our brain, the built-in one. 9 is 3 squared. Right. So 9 raised by 3 is 3 raised by 3 squared. Right. So 3 raised by 3 squared. If you don't see this, it's the same thing as 3 squared raised by 3. Right? So 9 can be written as 3 squared. 9 cubed is 3 squared, then raised by 3. So that means, but we want to use a square, we want to use this form. Right? We'll write as 3 cubed squared minus 1. So this, we'll keep writing this, but this one now written as 3 cubed plus 1 and 3 cubed minus 1. Well, what's 3 raised by 3? That's 3 times 3 times 3. That's 9 times 3. That's 27. Well, keep writing this. This factor has 27 minus 1, which is 26. Well, 26 is 13 times 2. Everything in the factored form. This is a factor, a factor, factor, factor. So everything's in the factored form. Right? So yes, 13 is a factor of this expression, 9 raised by 24 minus 1.